As part of their annual training at Fort Sill, the 45th Infantry Brigade Combat Team of the Oklahoma Army National Guard will test their skills, strength, teamwork, and fortitude.
Becoming an infantry officer was just knowing that you have a challenge ahead of you, and the challenge is going to be very difficult. You have to rise to the occasion. Guys that you're going to be leading in combat are counting on you, and it only gets harder from there.
It's crazy out there, but you got to be able to maintain a head and keep pushing forward. When your boot's on ground, it may look completely different from that map you just read, so you got to be able to react on the spot.
It's really hot out here today. Wearing 45 to about 100 pounds of gear, it takes a lot out of a soldier.
I definitely learned how to push myself a little bit harder. You know, you're carrying over 1,000 rounds on your back. You gotta keep running. Can't stop.
Nothing beats actually throwing rounds downrange.
I want to take the training I learned here and I want to further it with my unit. Take that training, embrace it, and take it overseas one day and do what I'm really getting paid to do.